Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. And yeah, I already know it's been a long time. Okay, so short story. Um, I've been busy with a lot of work. Yeah, so I wasn't able to upload it for a little while. But your boy is back, and we are going to do a tutorial on a app name that I forgot. So it's gonna be in the title. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right in the video. All right, so as you can see, this is the home screen of the app. But before you get in the app, it's gonna ask you what you want the name of the website to be. Basically, it's a app where you can make it's think of digital media. It's another word for basically making advertisements and stuff. This is basically the app. You just make advertisements and stuff, and then you can post online for other people to see. So when you log in, it's gonna ask you to think of a name. You can put your name or you can put whatever. As you can see, mine is Tyshawn 1245 dot blah blah blah. You can think of you can put any name, and then it's gonna show you the basics of how to use it. But I'm gonna show you what's the inside of the app. So if you go to pages, this is my beautiful light work. As you can see, my full name, okay, and then you have a wonderful picture of me, okay, and then thinker, traveler, and podcaster. Totally does all them things. Correct, guys? Yes, yes. So that's one I made. Well, I kind of used off of the example, but as you can see, create sites or your site, should I say? And then say create new site. So what you do, click on it. All right. So when you search for a domain, it's basically gonna choose the fun part, like basically your name type of thing is just you can choose whatever one. As you can see, these are taken, but HIVs. That's so much. Anyways, we're not gonna change it. So it's gonna ask you what kind of site you're making. You have all these things on our store, product drop, like in bio, price, all these things, which will really help you. Like for me, I need to put a link in the bio because apparently I do not know how to do that. So let's just work on it. So as you can see, you get free customizations of like templates, depending on what you want to do. So I'm gonna choose the cloud podcast because and then they can use it. Oh my god, I just heard my ears. Oh, why is this app so loud? Oh my god. No, okay, okay, okay. So as you can see, that was what I'm doing. Oh, this game is late. This feel like a game. It's like I'm doing a puzzle. So you can see if you hold on to it, you can move it everywhere in one of these. Guys, I'm going to have a headache after this. Sorry about that, guys. Something happened. But as you can see, you hold it, move stuff, blah blah blah. But the other things you can do, since I am doing links, like since I'm doing a specific category, it's gonna be different. So if y'all want me to make the tutorial on the other like categories, just let me know and I'll gladly do it. But right now we're just gonna do the URLs one. So for the URLs, obviously you can change the name from the cloud podcast to whatever. So we're gonna just rename it to the Rip X Family. That sounds so. Oh my god. Oh, okay. We're not putting that, guys. We are not. We're gonna go put the greatest people. The greatest people. And I can't spell. Greatest. There you go. Okay. So, this looks so ugly. Oh, my ear. hurt. Okay. Anyways, we're not here for the name. We are here to figure out what to do. Oh, right here you can change the photos. You got things. So, yeah. And then, uh, right here, what you do is you go to action. Right here, this way you can send the link. So when they click on it, it takes them somewhere else. So open another page, open website, send email, call phone number. Basically, when they click on it, it's going to happen. So you can, I don't really, okay, I'll just show you. Let me just stop talking. Let me just show you. So if you press send email, you put your email address, they click on it, it'll send them to your email, and then they can type something to you. Website, you send to a website, blah, blah, blah. Basically the basic. Send a page, and then button, Apple, y'all wanna like, I'm stupid. Button just basically makes you type on the thing, and then style is how you color it. So I'ma remodel the page, and I will come back when I am done.
All right, all right, guys. So instead of me just cutting it, because I'm pretty sure y'all just want to see the process of me figuring this all out, um, I'm gonna just do a speed run of me editing the page. Wow, it's like, yeah, basically just speed run of me doing it. So yeah, um, let's get right into it.
Okay, before y'all even say anything, I know it's not the best looking, but I did something in a matter of like 5 minutes. So now that you got your links and stuff, now the action feature, um, basically you could put anything. So I've put YouTube. Oh, actually, I don't feel like getting the link right now, but you'll just put the whole link. Not website. No, actually, his website. I'm stupid. So Twitch.com. So when someone clicks on it, it'll take them to Twitch. Now it's gonna upload like this. The site is live. And yep, they're gonna try to pay you. And then, well, obviously, this is, you can get paid for this, even though I don't usually see it. But if you get paid for it, I'd be impressed. And I don't know why. I don't know what's going on. But this is how you change the background, the whole thing. I'm not doing that. So, yep. Then you could check it out. It'll be right here. And then you can send people the link, well, off the URL. Oh my. Uh, And when you get to this screen, you will be able to copy and paste the URL and put it into your link bio so people can click on it and then it'll transfer them to whatever thing they want to answer. Now, I will, depending on if I actually decide to finish this, or probably not, but I will put this in my bio and then y'all can try it. But yeah, that's basically how it goes. You make it, you click on the download, copy URL, and then put in the description or whatever. And then, yeah, you're basically just putting the links and then, but it just depends on what you're doing. So, yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, and I'll see y'all in the next video.